Hey guys, this is my first recording, so let me know how I do. But I wanted to walk through how I put a wrap on a cup. And I found this really cute one. It's got like little baby Avengers or something. I absolutely adore it. But did you see the first thing I'm doing is I was actually flattening it to make sure that it's on the right side of the sticker. Then I measured it and I put some alcohol to clean off the glass, and then the next thing I do is I'll cut those edges. As you saw, like, I didn't measure it, and it was a little too long, plus when you cut a little bit off, it actually helps to remove it. The next thing, I get my cup cradle, which is awesome. I absolutely love it. I got a link in my bio for that one. But I'll just set that in there and I just kind of start that little end with the wrap. And I steady hands, making sure I put that down. Like you put that pretty firm. And I use that little scraper thingy to make sure it's down. And once I do, I just start turning it against that cradle just to make sure that it's going straight, 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 straight. I know there's different ways to do this, but this is the way I use it, and it's great for me. But if you have another way, that's totally cool as well. Then I use that scraper and I'm flattening out really good. And that was me actually going fast forward. And then, of course, you pull that clear layer off. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of look at it just to make sure there's no issues. And it looks so pretty. So I put that bamboo lid on it. Guys, do me a favor, like, share, follow if you like what you see. I have a shop on TikTok. And thanks.